Y'all see the title of the video, so we just gonna jump right into it. I got my notes here. So let's go, let's go, let's go. Number one, let me get my lighting right. Where's my lighting at? Okay, it's 95 degrees here, y'all. So I'm just out here sweating for you all to make this video. Anyway, number one, stop begging for cash apps. All you gotta do is put your cash app in your channel's description bar and then watermark all your videos with your cash apps. You ain't got to do all that dry begging and talking about your problems and everything. People don't want to hear that, you know? People got their own problems. They come to YouTube to escape from all that. They don't come to YouTube to hear this person begging for that and all that. And then there's one reaction channel, she begs so much where she justified in her brain, she thinking she okay to beg for cash app, talking about every time I get a cash app, I go live and I show y'all what I did with the money. If I get a cash app to repair my car, I go live and I show y'all, see, did my car getting fixed. Get out of here with that. Stop it. Nobody want to hear that. If they want to give you their money, they will. If they don't, they won't. You can't make them do it. So stop it. And eventually YouTube probably gonna stop all this with the cash apps anyway, because it's getting too reckless. So just put it on your videos, your channel description, and leave it there. Leave it like that. No begging necessary. We're not responsible for your money troubles. So that's number one. Number two, get monetized by YouTube. All the time and effort that you putting into begging for cash apps, you could be getting monetized with YouTube, and YouTube will pay you for all your views, subscribers, all your interactions, set you up a membership so you can get paid members and things like that. So that's number two. Number 3, 4, and 5. Oh, wait a minute, I'm losing my light now. Okay. Number 3, 4, and 5 are similar, but I'm gonna just say they are sponsorships, affiliated marketing, and influencer program. Now, they all are similar, but have a little twist to them, especially like the way you are paid. So basically, overall, you just marketing another company's product or service. So some companies will pay you just to say their name within your video. Some companies will pay you to read a script that they provide describing their products and services. Some companies will want you to create a video separate just about their product or services. So it just depends on whatever they ask for, and if you can provide that to them, then they'll pay you. Now, some companies pay commission only, like they'll give you a code, usually your name, and then if somebody buys their product or service, use your name as the code, then they get a discount and you get a commission. Some companies will pay you a flat fee up front. So they give you a flat fee, you provide the service that they ask for, and that's that. Some companies will do a combination of both. They'll pay you a flat fee up front, then they'll give you commission on the back end. It just depends on however you got it set up. So those are the 5 ways you can make money as being a YouTuber or a reaction channel, whatever you want to call it. And of course, always, our videos are short, sweet, and to the point. No fluff. See y'all later. Peace.